Snowstorm moving through the Ohio Valley and headed this way. Now, here's the timeline. Clouds thicken tonight. Most of the night is dry. Looks like the snow will reach Worcester. First flakes around 4 a.m. Boston about 5 a.m. But once it settles in, it's going to snow an inch an hour for a while during the rest of the morning to midday as the sleet line moves closer from Cape Cod toward the South Shore, maybe getting as far north as Boston before then receding eastward as we end as snow late in the day or during the evening tomorrow. After that, we will have a gradual clearing trend coming in. So the question is how much snow? Well, the amount of sleet is going to determine the range. If we get a lot of sleet in a little earlier in Boston, we'll be closer to 5 inches. If we're mostly snow and hardly get sleet at all, it could be up to about 8 or 9. North and west of Boston, I expect 6 or 8 to as much as 12 inches of snow in pockets. Smallest amounts down on the Cape because that's where the mix will come in the earliest. And by the way, there is a chance of another storm, but it's not definite around Sunday or Monday. That's my forecast for now.